Welcome to our Python tutorial series. In this video, we'll delve into some fundamental data structures in Python: lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Understanding these data structures is crucial for any Python developer, as they form the backbone of many programs. 1. Lists. Lists are ordered collections of items, enclosed in square brackets. They are mutable, meaning you can change, add, or remove elements after creation. Lists are versatile and commonly used for storing homogeneous or heterogeneous data. Use cases for lists: storing a list of names, numbers, or any type of data, iterating over elements using loops, modifying, sorting, or filtering data. 2. Tuples. Tuples are similar to lists, but are immutable, meaning once created, their elements cannot be changed. Tuples are enclosed in parentheses. They are often used for fixed collections of items that should not be modified. Use cases for tuples: storing coordinates, configurations, or constant values, returning multiple values from functions, using as keys in dictionaries. 3. Sets. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements, enclosed in curly braces. Sets do not allow duplicate values and are optimized for membership testing and mathematical operations like union, intersection, and difference. Use cases for sets: removing duplicates from a list, checking for membership or existence of elements, performing set operations like union, intersection, and difference. 4. Dictionaries. Dictionaries are unordered collections of key-value pairs enclosed in curly braces. They provide a way to store and retrieve data using unique keys. Dictionaries are highly efficient for data retrieval and manipulation. Use cases for dictionaries: storing data with a unique identifier, implementing lookup tables or mappings, representing structured data like JSON objects. To summarize, we've covered 4 essential data structures in Python: lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Each has its own characteristics, use cases, and advantages. Understanding when and how to use these data structures will greatly enhance your Python programming skills. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into Python's data structures. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Happy coding!